Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. And this is the website, but this website that didn't have an interface. But didn't good interface. Just put your email, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account in here. I have already an account. Just I click login to login to show you how you can start running. Okay, I log in my account, and this is the website. And if you didn't receive your confirmation email, just click recent email. This will be sent you an email to confirm your email. The first way earning is a manual faucet. You can easily make a manual faucet, and you can easily make your amount from manual faucet. Okay, every 60 seconds you can make 75 water tokens and 1000 time claim per day. First of all, solve this capture and then solve the recapture. After that, just click claim your reward. You can claim your free reward, and after 1 minute you come back and claim again. The next way is a matte faucet. You can earn this much water tokens every half of a minute, and you can claim 10,000 times. And you can just solve this. Letter capture is too easy, and just come down and just click your reward. This will be pay you your amount. And the next way is a mining. You can use the mining, but I didn't recommend you to use mining. The next way is the shortliks. You can visit the shortliks. This much water tokens you can earn just visiting this all 50 shortliks. I didn't know how much the water tokens is. $1. The next way is a PTC has. You can watch the PTC has and you can earn this much water tokens. And the next way offer wall, they need the level 1. The next way is achievements. You can easily claim your achievements from here. Our leaderboard is another way that you can earn some coins. This is a referral leaderboard. You can see this is the referral contest, and in here I have a faucet contest. In down here much more ways you can easily make. I share with you the withdrawal. How much is the withdrawal right now? If you withdraw Shiba coin, but it didn't available in Express Script because Express Script is blocked. Shiba coin, if you withdraw to your Coinbase, the minimum withdrawal amount is 50,000 tokens, and if you withdraw to your faucet, 5,000 tokens is minimum withdrawal amount. And you can easily make your withdrawal to your faucet pay. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 tokens. It's too easy to make 5,000 tokens, but I want Shiba coin. Okay, about that I click Shiba, and you can earn this much tokens if you watch the shortliks, and you can earn much more than I have. This is 10,000. This is 50,000. 5 days. If you watch 5 days, you can easily that much tokens you can earn. And in here I show with you how much is 11.29 water tokens is 1 Shiba. Okay, this much tokens is the minimum withdrawal amount, 11.29. The minimum withdrawal of the Shiba is 4,428 coin. Okay, and that's it. You can withdraw. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.